Hi, in this video we are going to study how to calculate the number of possibilities or how to find the number of possibilities for a given random experiment. So let's understand this concept with the help of an example. So the question might be asked in exam like how many possibilities are there, and some experiments will be given. The questions are written in red color. So the first one is any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Now we all know that there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So while writing the answer also we should properly mention all these things. Okay, we know that there are 7 days in a week. Hence, there are 7 possibilities. Alright, so the number of possibilities are 7 if any day of a week is to be selected randomly, because randomly any day can be selected. So from Sunday to Monday all the 7 days can be selected. They have equal possibility, so there are 7 possibilities of getting selected a day. See the second example. Select one card from a pack of 52 playing cards. Now this problem is more simple than the previous one, as the number of cards are mentioned already. As there are 52 playing cards, so there are 52 possibilities. Alright, so we will write that properly. There are 52 playing cards in a pack of playing cards. Hence, there are 52 possibilities. This is your answer. And for the last one, select any one hill station from Mahabaleshwar, Matheran and Chikaldara. These three are one of the famous hill stations in Maharashtra state. One of them is located in Satara district, the Mahabaleshwar. Matheran is located in Raigad district and Chikaldara is in Amravati district. So geographical concept apart, we will focus on our question. Select any one hill station from these three given hill stations. So as we know, there are 3 hill stations mentioned in the problem. Hence, there are 3 possibilities. We have to select any one and only 3 hill stations are given, so there are 3 possibilities. So by this way we can solve any kind of problem in which we are asked to find the probability. We are asked to find the number of possibilities. I hope you understand this video very well. Thank you.